Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. We are from S02 Group 5. We are going to talk about biodiversity of coral reef in Malaysia. Do you guys hear any sounds?
Can you explain about biodiversity of coral reefs in Malaysia?
Let me introduce it to you. Biodiversity refers to the variety of living species that can be found in a particular place. Coral reefs are believed by many to have the highest biodiversity of any ecosystem on the planet, even more than a tropical rainforest. Occupying less than 1% of the ocean floor, coral reefs are home to more than 25% of all marine life. Coral reefs are some of the most diverse ecosystems of our planet. The corals that build these reefs are called hard corals or hematific corals. These corals extract calcium carbonate from seawater, creating a hard, durable exoskeleton that protects their soft bodies inside. This process forms the foundation of the reef structure.
Malaysia is part of the Coral Triangle. This area is famous for being home to some of the most beautiful corals in the world. Let's explore a few of these amazing locations. In East Malaysia, you can find over 550 species of coral. This makes it a fantastic place for divers and snorkelers to explore, like Langkayan, Larapan, Mabun, and Mini. Peninsular Malaysia has more than 480 species of coral. These reefs are home to many fish and sea creatures, providing them with food and shelter for places like Tioman, Redang, and Bidong.
Next, we are going to talk about type of species found in the coral reef. Each species plays its own function in a coral reef ecosystem. Some are herbivores and specialize in eating different kinds of algae, keeping coral from being smothered by their potentially deadly competitors. Others, like sharks, groupers, and other predator fish, keep population of smaller fish and other organisms in balance. We can take parrotfish as example. They actually eat the reef itself. Parrotfish scrape at the coral to get the small algae, called zooxanthellae, living inside the coral polyp. Then grind up the coral skeleton with teeth in their throat and excrete it as a sand. Those beautiful white sand beaches thank parrotfish. Without sharks around to manage the population of fish, other species living on the reef can grow out of control. This drains the capacity of the reef and all the organisms in food chain. Many types of reef sharks, but the grey and white tip reef sharks are among the most common. Many other species are found in or around reefs, including silky sharks, blue sharks, nurse sharks, leopard sharks, horn sharks, and even larger species like hammerhead sharks. Many of these species are actually non-threatening to humans. Most reef sharks have no interest in attacking humans, contrary to popular belief.
Let's jump to the next topic, which is the importance of coral reef. Coral reef provide a variety of economic benefits, including recreational activities, tourism, coastal protection, habitat for commercial fisheries, and preservation of marine ecosystem. To dive deeper into this, coral reef support jobs and businesses through tourism and recreation. Local economies receive billions from visitors to coral reef through diving tours, recreational fishing trips, hotels, restaurants, and other businesses located near reef ecosystem. For instance, Tioman Island boasts some of the best reef in Malaysia and is a popular vacation spot both for locals and international tourists. The booming tourism in Tioman has both positively and adversely affected the island and its ecosystem. Besides, more than 500 million people worldwide depend on reef for coastal defense. The ridges in coral reef act as barriers and can reduce wave energy by up to 97%, providing crucial protection from threats such as tsunamis. They help protect areas such as mangrove forests and seagrass beds that act as nurseries for marine animals, as well as human coastal populations. Coral are also considered key to finding new medicines. Many drugs are now being developed from compounds discovered in coral reef animals and plants as possible cures for cancer, arthritis, bacterial infections, viruses, and other diseases. It is believed that coral reefs still have a lot of undiscovered medicinal potential, and there is much research yet to be done. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the importance of conserving coral reef. The importance of conserving them includes as a food source and providing employment for millions around the world, especially towards the coastal communities. Coral reefs are known as a habitat, nursery, feeding and breeding ground for marine life. Coral reefs are also known as the coastal protectors. They act as natural barriers against storm surges and erosion. They protect coastal communities and infrastructure from the impacts of climate change and severe weather. In fact, a recent study found that coral reefs reduce up to 97% of the energy produced by waves. By buffering the shoreline from these stresses, coral reefs prevent shoreline erosion. Without this protection, humans must invest in costly alternatives to prevent coastal erosion. Besides that, coral reefs also provide opportunities for scientific research and education. Studying these ecosystems can lead to advancements in marine biology, medicine, and environmental science. To add on, coral reefs play a role in carbon cycling and can help reduce climate change impacts. Last but not least, coral reefs also provide aesthetic, cultural, religious, and spiritual values for coastal people in tropical environments. Did you know the health and well-being of people who live in tropical environments rely heavily upon the cultural services that coral reefs provide? Now you know.
As we've seen, coral reefs are not just beautiful underwater landscapes, they are vital to our planet's health and our own well-being. These ecosystems support an incredible variety of marine life, protect our coastlines, and provide livelihoods for millions of people around the world. However, coral reefs face many challenges from climate change to pollution. It's up to us to take action and protect these precious environments. Join the fight to save our coral reefs. Support local conservation efforts, reduce your carbon footprint, and educate others about the importance of these ecosystems. Together, we can ensure that future generations can enjoy the beauty and benefits of coral reefs. Visit reefchat.org.my for more information on Malaysia's coral reefs conservation. That's all from us. Thank you very much. Yay, bye.